guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the Styletone box. But before we're gonna unbox the Styletone box, I have something to say. I feel like my subscribers, the way they are growing is very slow, and that's fine. This is a hobby, but I do have a giveaway, and I told you guys I was gonna give that box away when I reach 750 subscribers, and I'm realizing we're gonna wait years till that happens. So what we're gonna do is something else. I have 470 somewhat subscribers, so we're really close to 500. Now I'm gonna tone it down and give that box away when I reach 500 subscribers. So I'm only like 30 away, and y'all can help me with that. Share that video as much as possible. The more you share, the more bonus points you'll get, which means the bigger your chances are on receiving that box. And when I reach when I reach 500 subscribers, another giveaway will start once again. So just, wanted to put it out there. The giveaway will end when I reach 500 subscribers, which is so freaking close. So tell your friends, your mother, your grandmother, I don't know who, your father, your brother, it's all good here. Tell them to subscribe. The sooner I reach 500, the sooner that box will be gifted to one of you and another giveaway will start. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, let's return to this month's box. And it's very fall-esque. It actually matches like my makeup and things that I'm dressing. I'm really dressed for like fall, But I'm just gonna be honest, I know I'm wearing like a brown lipstick today. Well, it looks kind of red in the viewfinder, but trust me, it's brown. And honestly, I really hope that there's not going to be a freaking brown lipstick in this box, because we already received like 1,000,001 brown toned lipsticks. I know this is the season for brown tone, and now I enjoy wearing brown, but it's more because I have so many that I'm wearing it than out of pure joy, if you know what I mean. So I'm opening it up and I'm like, please, dear Lord. We're starting off with Oops. I hope that's not bad news. Hi, Beauty. In the magazine of the October box. Okay, so there was supposed to be a lipstick in here from Ardency Inn. How much you want to bet was brown? Anyway, that lipstick is going to be in the November box, and in this month's box, they replaced it with a lip and blush stick from Lux. Oh, which is probably this one. So let's just pull that out, shall we? It's right over here. Okay. So this is the Lux Lip and Blush Stick. It is well, it's always a full size. I want to say it's like a full size, but in the Styletone box, you always get full size items, which is why we all love the Styletone box so much. Anyway, this is from Lux Cosmetics. It looks, see what I did there? It looks like this, and then I believe like years ago, we already received such an item from Lux. Yep, I knew it. It's brown toned. Are you kidding me? It does have pink in it though, don't get me wrong. It does have like pink influences in here, but I mean, it's a good fall color, don't get me wrong, but like, seriously? Okay. Oh no. Gotta be kidding me. Didn't we just receive this item in the, I want to say it was the B-Lux box? Come on, are you kidding me? Okay, so this is the second item in here, and it is the sponge, yeah, the multifunctional soap sponge from Charcoal. Let's see how much they listed it as. Where are you though? Where is this sponge thing? Right here, and the pages are stuck together. There we go. Yeah, it is, they say it's €8. So how about we like, I don't know, while I'm editing, I'm probably gonna look up the B-Lux unboxing and see what the price in there was, but over here, the Styletone box claims that this is $8, and you know what, I already own one. So what I'm actually gonna do is give this fella away for Christmas. I think I know somebody who would maybe like this, and I'm gonna give that to her. Moving on to this, and this is something big. Before, after, probably a mascara. It's from Goddess. Oh, it's from Mama Kadar. The Flutter Mascara. Jet Black. It says over here it's 100% longer lashes, 100% more extreme volume, and no, wait, that's French. Intense curling lash effect with a cutting edge silicone brush tip. Grabs hard to reach lashes. Clump-free application. Intense, didn't I just say that? Unique hourglass wand to help achieve the most full luscious lashes. Okay, so this is what that little box fella thing looks like, and of course we're gonna get it out of there, but it's sealed. Okay, we're gonna rip this sucker apart. There we go, and that's how we're gonna get it out. Ooh, wow, this is like a thick tube, like a pretty big and thick tube. So let's open it up. Whoa, holy cow, this is like the biggest brush I've ever had. Wow, I'm spitting, I'm sorry. This is probably like the biggest brush that I've ever used. Like, look at how my eyes, look at how big this brush is. Wow, that is, Okay, this is going to be interesting. I really would like to know and see what this fella does exactly. But it is, yeah, the mascara cost 29 euro. Whoa, 29 euros. This is ridiculous. The Tarte mascara, like the best freaking mascara in the world. Okay, I'll be honest, I haven't tried out this one just yet. But the Tarte one, in my opinion, out of all the mascaras I've tried in my life, that's a lot. The Tarte one is the best in the world, and that one costs 27 euros. So if this one's going to be more expensive, it better be better than the Tarte one. And I don't know if it's going to be better, but I guess we'll see. Moving on to something from Ziaya or Jaya. I never know how to pronounce this brand. I do know it's Polish, but it's goat's milk. Oh, the goat's milk line. That one was amazing. I love that for my skin. And it's actually drugstore because, at least in Croatia, probably like the eastern countries, I don't know what it's like in the western part of Europe, but in the eastern countries, you can get this in any drugstore out there. And trust me, if you're on a budget or you're still quite young, and if you have dry skin, try out the Ziaya Goat's Milk line. You will not be disappointed. And since it's in a drugstore, it's budget friendly. So this is the Goat's Milk Eye Cream. Oh, that is really cool. It's nourishing, dry, and wrinkle-prone skin, which is perfect because I can't even pronounce it. Wow. I'm gonna turn 30, yes, 30, like the world's gonna explode really soon, and the wrinkles are, they're there, okay? So this sounds really, really promising and good, and this is what that fella looks like. And like I said, I tried the regular like day cream line of the Goat's Milk and I loved it. So I have really high hopes for this fella. Let's see what number it's over here. It costs €3.99. Okay, I have 2 more items in here and then box is empty. Let's see, we have a Nabla cream shadow. No! Didn't we already receive a cream eyeshadow like a couple of boxes ago? I remember we really did. This is the, wait a minute, underpainting? Are you sure this is an eyeshadow or is this a base? Like seriously, it looks like a base, right? I mean, this does not look like an eyeshadow. Hold on. Let me check the booklet because seriously, it looks like a freaking base. Let's see, the blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's a cream eyeshadow. What the hell? Okay, so like I said, I got the color Underpainting and the little pot looks like this. I did open it because it wasn't sealed, but as y'all can see, I did not touch it, nor am I going to touch it. I think this would be a great item to put in the giveaway. I could swear like this looks, come on, look at that. Like, doesn't this look like a freaking primer? How is this an eyeshadow? I don't know, but I don't want to touch it because it's a cream eyeshadow and I do not use cream eyeshadow. So, I'm gonna put it back in here. It costs 11 euros and 50 cents. Okay, and then we got the last item in here. At first I thought this was gonna be like an extra, but now I see that it's actually listed as a 6th item, and this is jewelry for life, sieraden for life. And life is beautiful and so are you. Our products are fair trade and handmade by women from the slums of Nairobi, Kenya. Made from natural materials such as stone, semi-gem, Maasai beans, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, cord, leather, wood, brass, cotton, and glass beads. Wow. This is actually really, really cool. I think, hold on. A bracelet like this costs 12 euros and 95 cents, and this is what mine looks like it's orange. It's like really, really great for fall. I don't know if other girls got like a different kind of bracelet, but these are the things. Hold on. I don't have a lot of pink, so we're gonna swoop it this way, so the white is more here and the pink's more here. Look at how great this goes with my shirt and my makeup. Like, this is meant to be, people. But I believe, and I have to check the booklet, but I believe this is such a like good cause item. And if so, I am all for this. I think it's great. Hold on, let me just read and I'll be right back. Yeah, see, that's what I figured. Okay, so it says in the booklet over here that these women from Nairobi, Kenya, they make, well, I mean, I read that. They handmade all of these beautiful bracelets. And what this, I guess For Life is an organization, or is it a firm? I think it's an organization, I'm not really sure. But basically it says that while making this, and you know, the organization is selling this, that these women get fair pay, and that way they can provide for themselves and for their children, because it says over here that mostly these women are on their own, you know, without a husband and stuff like that. So this is great. I will immediately say it, I'm sorry if this is true. As y'all probably already know if you follow me, I don't really believe in charity. Because if you look at the head of like charities organizations, these people are millionaires, and like, you're doing charity work. How could you be a millionaire? You know what I mean? There's something shady going on there. So if this is true, and if these women do actually receive fair pay, because here's the thing, we can't check that now, can we? Again, I'm not bashing this company. I just really hope that this is true, what they stand for. If, and I'm going to say it again, if that is true, I am all for this. I think that, you know, such an initiative is great, and I feel like these people should be paid fairly. Like any other person out there, always you should be paid fairly. So I actually appreciate Styletone for doing this. I definitely wouldn't mind seeing more of this, even with makeup related items, bracelets, earrings, rings, whatever, you name it. Guys, that was it. That was it for this month's box. And you know what? I loved it. This is like the classic Styletone box that I remember, that I love, that I want to receive every month. The only down, I guess, part from this for me would be the sponge, since we all, and the cream eyeshadow. But I will immediately say this is just a personal preference for me. So this is no shade towards Styletone. It's just personal. I don't like to use liquid eyeshadows and liquid blushes. You know, I just like them to be powdery. So this is just personal preference. I do, however, appreciate the fact that it's Nabla. That's a great brand. So yay, Styletone. For this, I mentioned this before in a video. I don't know if these boxes work or talk with each other. I know they're kind of competitive, but we already received this, you know what I mean? And again, not everybody receives the Belux box, so for the people who didn't get the Belux box, who just have the Styletone box, this is going to be amazing. So I need to shut up about that, and I'm just going to say this box, honestly, I feel like this box has been the best box in this whole year. I mean, agree to disagree, but I really think so. And this, especially such a thing like this bracelet, this like makes a box just go from good to freaking amazing. So I loved it. Let me know down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the link down below for my giveaway. It's gonna end sooner than we all thought, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!